Problem number 26. A hexagonal prism pyramid resting on one of its corner. Corner should be right side of your xy line. Right side you are considering as resting, and it is having 25 mm. All the corners should be joined to the center, and it is having a height of 50 mm. And that O1 is inclined at an angle of 40 degree with horizontal plane. It is drawn in VP, and base inclination is considered as 90 minus 40 equal to 50 degree. And this O1 is directly inclined, that is appears to be word will come in the problem. Appears to be, that is axis appears to be inclined 45 degree to VP. When it comes, O1 is directly inclined 45 degree. It will be solved by sketch. Now 25 mm side resting on one of its corner. First you have to draw this line and take 120 degree on either side. 120 degree on either side, cut it by 25, and then from here 25, from here 25, and draw vertical lines, that is 90 degree line to cut that axis. You will get these points. Right, now height is 50 mm. We will take height 50 mm. Can take it by divider or can take it by scale. Right, 50 mm height is there, and this point is called as O dash. This is O1 dash. Now all the points, all the projector from all the points till xy line, and then that will be joined with O point. One by one, all the points should be joined. To the O point. And then base. We call these points dark. Then when you are weaving from this side, this is A dash, B dash is visible, F dash is not visible, B dash into bracket F dash, then C dash, E dash, C dash, E dash is into bracket, and outside it is D dash. Now mark D dash point. Now we will mark here D dash point, and then axis inclination. Axis is this axis is inclined to HP at an angle of 40 degree. That is nothing but axis inclination is equal to so axis inclination is equal to base axis inclination is equal to 40 degree they have given. Base inclination is equal to 90 minus 40 degree. So we will get 50 degree is the base inclination. So base inclination is, I have marked already D dash point. From that point I will take 50 degree. Right, from this point we will take 50 degree, and I will join it by thin line. This we have taken 50 degree, but axis inclination is given 40 degree. Now we will cut that by D dash to A dash distance. By keeping a D dash point, we will cut it by A dash distance. We got A point there, and then we will take this distance, and then we will take O distance, then this distance I have taken, or you can take this distance, both are same. Right, I got all the points. This point is called as A dash, this point is called as B dash, F dash point, O1 dash, and then here we got C dash, E dash point. Now we'll take 90 degree from O1 point, from this we'll take 90 degree, and we'll draw arc of 50 mm height. From O1 I will draw arc of 50 mm, and then we'll join O1. This is 90 degree I have taken here. Till this arc, and we'll extend, and we'll measure this inclination. It should be 40 degree. Right, we got exactly 40 degree. Right, you should get this as 40 degree. Then join all the points to the O point. This is O point. Now this is the second position. We'll draw the projectors. Now we'll draw the projectors parallel to this line. Right, I got all the points. Here this point is called as A point. This is B, C, D, E, F, O1, and this is O point. Small details. Now when you are weaving from this point, this side, the point which is away from the observer is D dash point. So lines joining to D dash are dash lines. then all other points are continuous. Because of OA, this dash line will not be visible. So this is the top view of second position, and we will give the arrow marks. Now this O01 is directly inclined 45 degree to VIP. Now we'll take parallel to this. We'll mark here and we'll take 45 degree from this point. And we'll extend it. So this is 45 degree. Now we'll mark this O point here. This O point I have marked here, and we'll cut it by O01 distance. Cut it by this O01 distance. Here we get O1 point. Right. Now with the help of divider, take distance OA, or you can take distance OD, both are same. You can take this distance, both are same. Keeping at O1 point, you get D1 point here. So A point here. This is A point, this is D point. By knowing 2 point, you can construct anything. So from B point I will take A distance, or you can take from C D distance. All the distances are same. We'll draw arc here. On either side of A and D, and then we'll take D2 F distance, or you can take D2B distance, or you can take A to C distance, or A to E distance. All the distance will be same. Now I have taken this D to B distance. So all the distance are same. So we'll cut on two sides by keeping A and D. Once again we'll take this distance. So we got all the points. We'll take Here we got B, C, E, F. All the points we got. Now we'll join each other. C to D is dash. Same, D to E is dash. Next, A to F, B point, right. We got all the points. Now we'll join to O point. Now we'll draw the projectors from all the points. F, from horizontal side projectors. Here we'll get O dash point, and then on this we'll get D dash point. XY line will get D dash point. Right. Next, A point. This is A dash point. B. B dash point. C, C dash point, D is over E, E dash point, and F, F dash point. So we got all the point. Now, when you are weaving from this side, the point which is away from the observer is OE. OE is dash. Now we'll make O to E dash. We'll make OE dash, and then We'll make borderline continuous first, then we'll think. These are the border lines. When you are viewing from this side, complete base is visible, so we'll join the base first. And then the point which are inside are also dash lines. So these points will come inside. So these points are also dash lines. And B is continuous. A very small distance you will get, so that B is also continuous. So these three lines you will get as dash lines in this problem. Give the arrow marks. So this is how you have to solve. Whenever axis is inclined directly, means O1 is directly inclined on 45. Appears to be inclined will come in problem. If there is no appears, we'll get locus line. We'll have solved in other videos. Thank you.